Dear students, so we are learning exercise 1b of complex numbers chapter. So in the previous video we have solved exercise 1b first bit problems, which are very important for 2 marks in intermediate public examination, and these second bit problems are important for 4 marks question in intermediate public examination. Okay, many times the question 4 marks question came from this second bit. Okay, right. So first, in second bit, first problem, if a plus ib whole square is equal to x plus iy, then find the value of x square plus y square. Simple problem. So just take a plus ib whole square is equal to x plus iy. So expand this one, a square plus ib whole square plus 2a into ib, which is equal to x plus iy. Okay, now a square, here I square, what is the value of I square? Minus 1. So minus b square, I square value is minus 1, b square, this is real part, plus I into 2ab, this is imaginary part. Okay, so compare, this is x and this is y. Compare real parts and imaginary parts. By comparing, we will get x is equal to a square minus b square and y is equals to what? 2ab. Okay, so by simplification we got the values of x and y. Now the question is find the value of x square plus y square, right? So x square plus y square is equal to x square a square minus b square whole square plus y square 2ab whole square. Simplify this one. This is a square plus b square means b square whole square minus 2a square b square plus 2ab whole square means 4a square b square. Okay, so a square whole square b square whole square 2a square b square plus 4a square b square become 2a square b square plus 4 minus 2 become plus 2. So this is of the form a square plus b square plus 2ab, that means a plus b whole square. Okay, so therefore value of x square plus y square is what? A square plus b square whole square. So simple problem. Next, second problem, very important problem for 4 marks question in intermediate public examination. So x plus iy is equal to 3 by 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. Then show that x square plus y square is equal to 4x minus 3. That we have to show, right? So first, left hand side we have complex form, but right hand side we did not have in complex form. So convert the right hand side part into complex form. For that, multiply numerator and denominator with conjugate of denominator. Okay, so x plus iy is equals to 3 by 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, multiply numerator and denominator with the conjugate of denominator. What is the conjugate of denominator? 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta, multiply numerator as well as denominator. This is important step. First step is important step here. So 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta into 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. Okay, now careful multiplication. 3, multiply 3 with numerator, 3 2s are 6 plus 3 cos theta, right? Or write it as 3 into 2 plus cos theta. 3 into 2 plus cos theta minus 3i sin theta by, in denominator it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. That means a square minus b square. What is a square here? 2 plus cos theta whole square minus b square in the sense I sin theta whole square. numerator become 3 into 2 plus cos theta minus 3i sin theta by denominator is of the form a plus b whole square, a square 2 square, that means 4 plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab, 2 into 2 4 cos theta, okay, minus I square value is minus 1 into sin square theta. I square value here, since I square is equal to minus 1, so minus 1 minus into minus become plus, okay, right. Now 3 into 2 plus cos theta minus 3i sin theta by 4 cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 from trigonometry. 1 plus 4 5 plus 4 cos theta, okay. So now finally split it, x plus iy is equal to 3 into 2 plus cos theta by this one 5 plus 4 cos theta, okay. Next plus I into here I am writing I here, minus 3 sin theta is remaining by apply 5 plus 4 cos theta denominator to imaginary part also. So this is the first one, it is called as real part, and this is imaginary part. Now comparing on both sides you will get, therefore what is x? X is equal to what? 3 into 2 plus cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Next y is equal to minus 3 sin theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta, okay. So by comparing both sides we got x is equal to 3 into 2 plus cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta, and y is equal minus 3 sin theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Now take left hand side part. What is left hand side part? Which is equal to x square plus y square. So x square, here x square means 3 square, 9 into 2 plus cos theta whole square by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Y square in the sense minus 3 sin theta whole square by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square, right. Now 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square is the LCM. Numerator we have 9 into 2 plus cos theta whole square in the sense 4 plus cos square theta plus 4 cos theta, a plus b whole square formula, plus here LCM is 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square minus square plus 3 square 9 sin square theta, okay. So 9 is common in numerator, then you will get 4 plus cos square theta plus 4 cos theta plus here sin square theta is remaining, by 9 is common, right. So 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square, here cos square theta plus 4 sin square theta is 1, so we will get 9 into 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 5 plus what is remaining 4 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. One term gets cancelled, here mention cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1, right. 1 plus 4 5 plus 4 cos theta, so 1 5 plus 4 cos theta is cancelled. So finally what is left hand side part? Left hand side part is x square plus y square is equal to what? 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Now take right hand side part. What is right hand side for 4x minus 3? 4x minus 3. So now 4 into what is the value of x? 3 into 2 plus cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta minus 3. So here 5 plus 4 cos theta is LCM. 4 3s are 12 into 2 plus cos theta minus 3 into 5 plus 4 cos theta. Okay, 12 2s are 24 plus 12 cos theta 3 5 is 15 minus 12 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. So 12 cos theta, 12 cos theta cancel. Our right hand side part is equal to 4x minus 3, which is equals to 24 minus 15 is 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. So observe here. So by simplification of left hand side we got 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta, and right hand side simplification also we got 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. So therefore from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we can write, from 1 and 2 we can conclude that x square plus y is equal to what? 4x minus 3. Okay, so this is the important problem for 4 marks. This is also very important problem, repeated many times for 4 marks question. Simple problem, it is similar problem to previous problem. So x plus iy is equal, it is given that 1 by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. In the same way we should multiply numerator and denominator with the conjugate of denominator. What is the conjugate of denominator? 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. Okay, so 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus I sin theta by, here a plus b into a minus b, a square 1 plus cos theta whole square minus b square minus I square sin square theta. Okay, now 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by, this is expanded, 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta, a plus b whole square, right? Minus I square value is minus 1, minus into minus plus sin square theta, since I square is equal to minus 1. Okay, now 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by, here cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1, right? So 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 cos theta. Now split it, you will get 1 plus cos theta real part by 2 is common in denominator, 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by 2 into 1 plus cos theta. 2 is common in denominator, so 1 plus cos theta gets cancelled. Finally x plus iy is equal to this one. Now here the answer is depending on, okay, by comparing we get, so x is equals to 1 by 2 and y, x real part is 1 by 2, no, y not required, but I am writing here minus sin theta by 2 into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so as x is equal to 1 by 2, square 2 into x is equal to what? 1. Squaring on both sides you will get 4x square is equal 2x whole square is equal to 1 square, that is 4x square is equal to 1. 4x square minus 1 is equal to 0, which is required proof. So multiply numerator and denominator with the conjugate and simplify, you will get x is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute x is equal to 1 by 2 in left hand side part, otherwise 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4, 4 cancel, 1 minus 1 becomes 0, which is equal to right hand side. In another way, x is equal to 1 by 2, 2x is equal to 1, squaring on both sides you will get 4x square is equal to 1, 4x square minus 1 is equals to 0, right? So this is simple problem for 4 marks. This is the 4th problem in first bit problem. U plus I by iv is equal to 2 plus I by z plus 3 and z is equal to x plus iy. Z is equal to x plus iy. Then find the values of u and v. Find real part and imaginary parts. So this is not of the form a plus ib. So multiply numerator and denominator with conjugate of denominator. Here conjugate means x plus 3 plus iy's conjugate is minus iy. X plus 3 minus iy, x plus 3 minus iy. So multiply numerator completely and denominator is of the form a plus b into a minus b and simplify it. you will get this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. That means this is u and this is b. Okay, that's it. Check it. Okay, so these are the hints only. Solve yourself and check. Second bit, first problem. This problem is also important for 4 marks. Okay, so first one, z is equal to 3 minus 5i is a complex number. Then show that z cube minus 10z square plus 58z minus 136 is equals to 0. First, this problem can be solved by using 2 methods. One is by taking this z is equal to 3 minus 5i. So bring 3 to left hand side, then z minus 3 is equal to minus I. Then squaring on both sides, you will get z minus 3 whole square is equal to minus 5i whole square. Then what is this? Z square minus 2 3 is 6z plus 3 square is 9. Here minus 5 square, that is 25 into I square, that is minus 1. I square value is minus 1. So then finally z square minus 6z minus 25 become plus 25 plus 9, that is 34 is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Okay, now take left hand side part. What is this? Z cube minus 10z square plus 58 into z minus 136. So write this expression by using z square minus 6z plus 34. So I am writing like this: z cube, then after we have 6z, right? So minus 10z square can be written as minus 6z square minus 4z square. Minus 6z square minus 4z square become minus 10z square, right? So I am writing the combination like this. Plus we have 34, right? So 58z can be written as 34z plus 34 plus how much? 24. 34 plus 24, 58, right? 34z plus 24z, okay, minus 136. Now simple. So what is common in these first 3? Z is common. What is remaining? Z square. Here z common, minus 6z plus 34. So in bracket we got z square minus 6z plus 34. In these 3, minus 4 is common. What is remaining? Z square. Minus 4 into z square minus 4z square minus 6z, minus into minus plus 4 6 are 24z. Next plus 34. 4 into 34, 136. Okay, so from 1 the value of this is 0 minus 4 into 0. So total is 0, which is equal to right hand side. This is from 1. From 1 this expression is 0. So the splitting is important in this problem by using this one. Okay, so simple. First take 3 to left hand side, squaring on both sides, you will get a quadratic equation in terms of z. So take left hand side part, split it by using this equation 1. Okay, so here then right hand side becomes 0. Okay, therefore z cube minus 10z square plus 58z minus 136 is equals to 0. This is method 1. Second method is, here z is equal to 3 minus 5i. Find z square, means squaring on both sides, and simplify, expand with a plus b whole, a minus b whole square formula. You will get z square is equal to minus 16 minus 30i. Next z cube can be written as z into z square, or cubing on both sides by a minus b whole cube formula also we can simplify. So after simplification you will get z cube is equal to this one. Now take left hand side part, substitute z cube, z square and z values, and multiply each terms with coefficients, then simplify. Finally you will get 0. All terms will get cancelled. Minus 198, 160, 174, minus 36. minus 299 and 290 minus 10 minus 300 plus 300i cancel. Finally we will get 0. Okay, right. So in these two methods we can select any one of the methods to solve this problem. This is a similar problem to previous problem. So z is equal to 2 minus I root 7. Bring 2 to left hand sides and squaring on both sides you will get one expression, one quadratic equation in terms of z. Take a left hand side part and split. This is the important step. This splitting is by using this equation 1. So that means 3. First we have 3z cube, right? So here we have z square. So we should write the combination of 3z into this one, 3z into z square, 3z cube, 3z into minus 4z minus 12z square, 3z into 11, 33z. First of all write like that. So 3z cube we have, then minus 12z square plus 8z square is minus 4z square, 33z minus 32z z plus 88. So in this 3 terms we have 8 as common. Again we will get this term. So this becomes 0, this becomes 0 from using 1. So finally the answer is 0. So this splitting is very important, and otherwise take z and squaring and cubing and substitute those values in this one, you will get answer as 0. So this is also important problem for 4 marks. Next problem, these two numbers are complex numbers which are conjugate to each other, that we have to show. So let us assume that first complex number is z1. z1 is equal to 2 minus I by 1 minus 2i whole square. That means expand the denominator 1 square plus 2i whole square minus 2 into 1 into 2i, right? 2 minus I by 1 square 1, I square minus 1 into 2 square, that is minus 4 minus 4i. So 2 minus I by minus 3 minus 4i, right? So multiply numerator and denominator with minus, we will get minus 2 plus I by 3 plus 4i. Multiplying numerator and denominator with minus. Okay, now this is not of the form a plus ib form, right? Second complex number is of the form a plus ib. So multiply numerator and denominator with conjugate of denominator to convert it as a plus ib form. Minus 2 into 3 minus 6, minus 2 into minus 4 plus 8i 3i minus 4i square by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, minus 6 plus 11i minus I square value is minus 1, right? Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 4 by 3 square 9 minus I square is plus 1, minus into minus plus 4 square 16. So finally we got minus 2 plus 11i by 25. This is z1. What is the conjugate of z1? Conjugate of z1 is equal to z1 bar, which is equal to, just replace I with minus I, minus 11i by 25, which is equal to z2. Let us assume that this is z2. So minus 2 minus 11i by 25. Therefore this is z1, and after simplification we got this is z1, minus 2 plus 11i by 25 after simplification. So conjugate of z1 is, what is, z2. Therefore these two numbers are conjugate to each other. That's it. So first simplify the given complex number 2 minus I by 1 minus 2i whole square, convert it as a plus ib form, then find its conjugate. Automatically we will get this one. Therefore these two are conjugate to each other. These are the solved problems. This is the problem important for 2 marks. If z is equal to 2 minus 3i, then show that z square minus 4z plus 13 is equal to 0. So bring 2 to left hand side and squaring on both sides, automatically you will get this one. In another way, take z and find z square, that means 2 minus 3i whole square. So substitute in left hand side part, automatically you will get 0 answer. And this show that these two complex numbers are conjugate to each other. In this one, this is a+ib form. Take z2 and simplify, so automatically the conjugate of this one is this one. Okay, similar problem already we have solved just now. So take z2 and simplify it and find the conjugate of that complex number, automatically we will get z1. Therefore those two are conjugate to each other. Next, third bit, first problem. If x minus iy power 1 by 3 is equal to a minus ib, then show that x by a plus y by b is equal to 4 into a square minus b square. So this is also previous problem for 4 marks. Simple. Take this given term, x minus iy whole power 1 by 3 is equal to a minus ib. If we bring 1 by 3 to right hand side, it become cube or cubing on both sides. Cube will get cancelled, you will get x minus iy is equal to a minus ib whole cube. A minus ib whole cube. So what is the formula for a? Here expand it. A minus b whole cube formula, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. This is the formula for a minus b whole cube. Now expand it. A cube minus 3a square b means ib, plus 3ab square ib whole square minus b cube ib whole cube. This is equal to a cube minus I into 3a square b plus 3ab square into I square minus I cube b cube. So here I square, value of I square is minus 1, right? Substitute here, then you will get a cube minus I into 3a square b. Here I square value minus 1, right? Minus 3ab square. I cube can be written as I square into I square value is minus 1, minus into minus plus ib cube. I cube is equal to minus I into minus plus I. So finally here x minus iy is equal to a cube minus 3ab square plus I is taking, minus I is taking as common. What is remaining? 3a square b minus b cube, minus I into minus b cube plus ib cube. Now comparing on both sides, you will get x is equals to what? A cube minus 3ab square, and y is equal to, here minus I. So y is equal to what? 3a square b minus b cube. Right? Now take left hand side part of this expression. What is that? X by a plus y by b. What is x? Here a is common, right? A into a square minus 3b square by a. What is y? In this one b is common, right? So b into 3a square minus b square by b. So taking left hand side part, x by a plus y by b. In x a is common, that means a into a square minus 3b square. In y b is common, b into 3a square minus b square. b a cancel. Now a square plus 3a square, 4a square minus 3b square minus b square minus 4b square, which is equal to 4 is common, a square minus b square, which is equal to right hand side part. So x by a plus y by b is equal to 4 into a square minus b square. Final conclusion is x by a plus y by b is equal to 4 into a square minus b square. Okay, simple problem for 4 marks. Just cubing and comparing and substituting. Write second problem, write a plus ib by a minus ib whole square minus a minus ib by a plus ib whole square in the form of x plus iy. So take this expression, this is of the form a square minus b square. So a plus ib by a minus ib whole square, a minus ib by a plus ib whole square, this is of the form a square minus b square, right? So this can be written as a plus b a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, now this, what is LCM here? A minus ib into a plus ib. So a plus ib into a plus ib, a plus ib whole square plus a minus ib into a minus ib, a minus b whole square into, here also a minus ib into a plus ib LCM. So a plus ib whole square, a minus ib whole square. Now a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square formula, we have a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square formula, that is 2 into a square plus b square by here a square minus I square b square, a minus b into a plus b. Here a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square formula is 4ab by a square minus I square b square. So here I am writing the formulas. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square, a plus b whole square in minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. If expand it, then you will get the answer. I square is equal to minus 1. Okay, now 2 into a square, I square value minus 1 minus b square. So 4 into I into ab by here I square minus 1 minus into minus plus a square plus b square, a square plus b square, a square plus b square whole square. So which is equal to, here there is no real part, only imaginary part, 0 plus 4 2s are 8 I into 8ab into a square minus b square by a square plus b square whole square. So this is only one term, right? So only we have imaginary part, there is no real part. So this is the a plus ib form of given question. Third problem, if x and y are real numbers such that this expression is equal to I, then find the values of x and y. Okay, so here simplify this part and compare and solve, then you will get x and y. So first of all, take left hand, take this expression. So 1 into x, that is x, plus I into x, xi minus 2i by 3 plus I, plus 2 into y, 2y minus 3 iy plus I by 3 minus I is equal to I. Now here 3 plus I into 3 minus I is the LCM. So here you will get x plus x minus 2 into I is common, right, into 3 minus I. In this one 2y plus I is common, 1 minus 3y, I common 1 minus 3y into this 3 plus I is the LCM is equal to I. Okay, so just I did LCM here. Here x, here I is common, imaginary part common, x minus 2, here 2y real part and I common, 1 minus 3y is imaginary part. So do LCM, 3 minus I multiply to this term and 3 plus I to that term. Now here multiply term by term, x into 3, 3x, x into minus I, minus xi, 3 into xi, 3xi, 3 into, otherwise write as like that only, xi minus 2i, here also minus 3iy plus I. Now multiply x into 3, 3x minus xi, xi into 3, 3xi, xi into minus I minus xi square, minus 2i into 3 minus 6i, minus into minus plus 2i square. So here I square means minus 1, minus into minus plus 1, I square means minus 1, minus into 2 minus 2. Now 2y into 3, 6y, 2y into I, 2iy, minus 3iy, minus 9iy, minus 3iy into y, minus 3y I square means minus into minus plus, I into 3, 3i, I square minus 1 by 3 a square, 3 square 9 minus b square I square means minus 1, which is equal to I. Now real parts, 3x plus x, 4x minus 2, 4x minus 2 plus 6y plus 3y, 6y plus 3y, 9y minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 by 9 plus 1, 10 plus imaginary parts 3xi minus xi, that is 2xi, I is common, 2x. Next minus 6i plus 3i, minus 3i, I is common, that is minus 3, 2iy minus 9iy, minus 7iy, I common, minus 7y by 10 is equal to I means 0 plus 1 into I. Okay, now compare. Okay, so this simplification is very important. This is real part and this is imaginary part. Okay, so otherwise you write one more step and take it as common, you will get two linear equations. So after comparing you will get 4x plus 9y real part is 0, right? So by comparing we will get 4x plus 9y minus 3 by 10 is equal to 0, that is one real part, and imaginary part is 2x minus 7y minus 3 by 10 is equal to I coefficient is 1 here is equal to 1. So one is 4x plus 9y minus 3 is equal to 0 is one equation, and here 2x minus 7y minus 3 is equal to 10 into 1 10. 10 bring to left side minus 10, that means minus 13 is equal to 0. Otherwise write one step, minus 3 is equal to 10, 2x minus 7y minus 13 is equal to 0, equation number 2. Now solve those two equations. Solve those two equations. What is first equation? 4x plus 9y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is first equation, and multiply second equation with the 2, you will get 4x minus 14y minus 26 is equal to 0. Subtraction, these two cancel, 14 plus 9, 23y plus 26 minus 23 minus 2 plus 23 is equal to 0. So 23y is equal to minus 23, y is equal to minus 1. So substitute y value in this one, 4x, 9 into minus 1 minus 9 minus 3 is equal to 0, 4x is equal to 12, x is equal to 3. So therefore what is the value of x? x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1. So value of x is 3 and value of y is minus 1. Those are the values. Okay, so this is the process of finding x and y. Find the least positive integer n satisfying 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n is equal to 1. So here we have to find the least positive integer value of n. For what value of n, that the answer should be 1. Okay, so we have to find. So for that, first of all take 1 plus I by 1 minus I and convert it as complex number form, that is a plus ib form. For that, multiply numerator and denominator with its conjugate. What is the conjugate of denominator? 1 plus I. Multiply numerator and denominator. So in numerator we will get 1 plus I whole square. In denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Now expand numerator, 1 plus I square plus 2 into 1 into I. Denominator 1 square 1 minus I square value is minus 1. Minus into minus plus. I square is equal to minus 1, right? Now I square is minus 1. 1 minus 1 plus 2I by 2. 1 minus 1 cancel. So 2I by 2, 2 cancel I. So remember 1 plus I by 1 minus I value how much? I. This is the simplification. 1 plus I 1 minus I is equal to I. So 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n is equal to what? I power n should be 1. Okay, so for what value of least, by taking n is equal, positive integer means starts from 1. I power 1 how much? I. I power 2 minus 1. I power 3 minus I power 4 1. Okay, I power 4 minus I square whole square, that is minus 1 whole square, that is plus 1. So by taking n is equal to 4 we will get 1. Okay, so therefore n is equal to 4 is the least positive integer which satisfies 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n is equals to 1. Okay, right. Next, fourth bit, second problem. If 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole cube minus 1 minus I by 1 plus I whole cube is equal to x plus iy, then find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and y. So already we have simplified 1 plus I by 1 minus I in previous problem. So the simplification of 1 plus I by 1 minus I is I. So in the similar way we can simplify 1 minus I by 1 plus I. 1 minus I by 1 plus I means its reciprocal, that means 1 by I. 1 by I. So 1 by I means multiply with I by I, numerator and denominator with I. So I by I square, that is I by minus 1, that is minus I. So equation number 2. Okay, so 1 plus I value, 1 plus I by 1 minus I value is I, and 1 minus I by 1 plus I value is minus I. Okay, now take this expression 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole cube, that means I cube, minus 1 minus I by 1 plus I whole cube minus I whole cube is equal to x plus iy. I cube minus 1 whole cube means minus I cube, that means minus into minus plus I cube, x plus iy. I cube value minus I cube value minus I, that means 2I cube, right? So 2 into minus I, 2 into I cube is equal to x plus iy. So I cube value is I into I square, that is minus I. So minus 2I is equal to x plus iy, which is 0 minus 2I, which is purely imaginary. So by comparing we will get x is equals to 0 and y is equal to minus 2. These are the values of x and y. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 2. Simple problem. So take 1 plus I by 1 minus I, simplify, you will get I. 1 minus I by 1 plus I is minus I. So I cube minus I whole cube, that is I cube plus I cube, 2I cube, that is minus 2I. So by comparing, we will get x is equal to 0 and y is equals to minus 2. Next, third problem in fourth bit, find the real values of theta such that 3 plus 2i sin theta 1 minus 2i sin theta is a purely real number and purely imaginary number. So in this case we should find the values of theta, in this case also we should find the values of theta. So first of all, take that complex number and convert into a plus ib form. For that, multiply numerator and denominator with its conjugate of denominator. That means conjugate of denominator is what? 1 plus 2i sin theta. Okay, now numerator become 3 into 1, 3 plus 2i sin theta, 6i sin theta, 2i sin theta into 1, 2i sin theta, plus 2i sin theta into 2i sin theta, 4i square sin square theta, by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 4i square sin square theta. Now this I square become minus 1. So 3 minus 4 sin square theta, okay, plus 6i sin theta, 2i sin theta, 8i sin theta, by 1 I square value minus 1, minus into minus, plus 4 sin square theta. So which can be written as 3 plus 2i sin theta by 1 minus 2i sin theta is equal to 3 minus 4 sin square theta by 1 plus 4 sin square theta. This is real part, and I into 8 sin theta by 1 plus 4 sin square theta, which is imaginary part. Right? Now the question is, this is the simplification, right? So this is first case, this is a purely real number. When it is purely real number, imaginary part, if this part is 0, then that is purely real, right? If imaginary part is 0, then this expression become purely real number. So it is said to be real number if imaginary part is equals to 0. What is imaginary part? 8 sin theta by 1 plus 4 sin square theta become 0. So bring to right hand side, 8 sin theta becomes 0. So sin theta becomes 0. Whenever sin theta becomes 0, when theta is equal to n pi, where n belongs to z. So in this case, this become purely real if theta is equal to n pi. So already we have learned that solution of sin theta is equal to 0 is equal to theta is equal to n pi, where n belongs to z. That is in the case of purely real. If it is purely imaginary, this real part should be 0. If real part is equal to 0. So what is real part? 3 minus 4 sin square theta by 1 plus 4 sin square theta is equals to 0, right? So this becomes 0. 3 minus 4 sin square theta is equal to 0. From this, 4 sin square theta is equal to 3. Sin square theta is equal to 3 by 4, which is equal to sin square 60. Sin square 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 whole square, right? So root 3 by 2 whole square means sin square 60, that is sin square pi by 3. Sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha, then solution is theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where n belongs to z. So in this case, this is the solution, right? So these are the two solutions of theta. This is the last problem. Find the real values of x and y such that x minus 1 by 3 plus I plus y minus 1 by 3 minus I is equals to I. So simplify that one. X minus 1 LCM is 3 plus I into 3 minus I. Already this type of problem we have done in previous bit. Y minus 1 into 3 plus I is equals to I. Okay, this is the LCM. Now x into 3, 3x minus xi minus 3 minus 1 into minus I plus I plus 3y plus iy minus 3 minus I by a plus b into a minus b, 3 square 9 minus I square is equal to I. Now 3x, right, plus 3y, real parts, 3y minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. Next imaginary parts, I gets cancelled, so I taking as common, minus I taking as common, what is remaining? X plus y. All are completed by 9 I square value minus 1 minus into minus plus 9 plus 1 10 is equal to I. So 3 is common, x plus y minus 2 by 10 minus I into x plus y by 10 is equal to 0 plus 1 into I. Now compare, you will get 3 into x plus y minus 2 by 10 is equal to, real part is 0. So finally x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. 3 by 10 become 10 by 3 into 0, 0. This is equation number 1. Now imaginary parts, minus of x plus y by 10 is equal to 1. So minus x plus y is equal to minus 10 become minus 10. X plus y plus 10 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Now solve. So x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. X plus y plus 10 is equal to 0. Here I did small mistake, 3 into y 3y, y into I plus iy. Okay, so here minus I taking common, we will get x minus y, 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 here x minus y, right. Now solving y gets cancelled, x plus x 2x, 10 minus 2 8 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 8 by 2, therefore x is equal to minus 4. Okay, substitute in 1. From 1, minus 4 plus y minus 2 is equal to 0, y minus 6 is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. So therefore x value minus 4, y value 6. X is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to minus 6. So these are the problems, important problems of second bit of exercise 1b. So 99 maximum we are getting 4 marks question in intermediate public examination. Okay, so concentrate more on this bit to get 4 marks. Okay, so solve simple problems we can get easily 4 marks. Okay, so revise and practice thoroughly and get clarity. Okay, thank you.